Everybody, welcome back to my channel. The month of July brings new revelation. Mark Zuckerberg introduces a new social media platform and Twitter becomes an X. How can an iconic blue bird becomes an X? But we'll save that for another episode. Today's episode, we're gonna talk about the brand new social media platform called Threads. And more importantly, we'll dive into how marketers can make the most of this platform for their campaigns. So let's get started. In order to use Threads app, firstly download the free Threads app to your mobile device. Once you have downloaded the Threads app, open it, and of course make sure you log into your Instagram account. I'm gonna hook up my account called Things in One Spot. So I'm gonna open this icon, and of course I'm going to port over my Insta bio to my Threads account. So I'm just gonna do that. Click next, and I'm gonna make this profile public. I have the option to follow all of the accounts if you choose to. So I can follow all if I want to. Click here and join Threads. So what can you post on Threads? Just like Instagram, you can post images and videos. But unlike Instagram, you have the option to post links, text-only messages, and animated GIFs. And most importantly, you can type up to 500 characters. So what can't you post on Threads? Although future updates are surely on their way, as of now, the features aren't available on Threads, just like hashtags, DMs, ads, and pin posts. So we just have to stay tuned for now. This presents an opportunity to generate conversations, provide sneak peeks into upcoming campaigns, all of which can create buzz and drive brand engagement. As you can see here, we have existing posts by some brands like Mountain Dew and some other profiles from other users. But of course, we're gonna hover down to our profile. Now it's completely empty. I can hover to this icon in the middle here and start creating a new thread or new post. I can start writing a welcome post. Maybe joining the Threads bandwagon. And introducing our new product. If you see this attach or clip icon here, click on it. You can select photos, videos. I can introduce my product over here, select it, and it will upload. And of course, just post it. Once you have uploaded the image that you want, the post including the image is publicly displayed. So all your followers will actually see this post. So anyone can reply or even like and even repost this image. So that's the great thing about it. The Thread apps itself is a text-based app that enables you to create posts that you can include like videos, and of course I can include an image, if you will. Add and follow your connections from Instagram, from WhatsApp, and emails. And of course, you can even see their posts as well. You can participate in their posts by liking, commenting, and even cross-posting the thread to your stories. Threads is still in its early stages. However, there is potential of using this social media platform for marketing efforts. My first impression is that it is a casual and a quick way to share content, start authentic conversations, and of course get your name out there. So the focus now is to create conversations and making connections. When we talk about marketing, Threads focuses on connecting individuals and flow followers. It emphasizes on intimacy as well as making it a valuable tool for marketers to build stronger connections and engagement with their target audience on a more personal level. So you can see here Starbucks did a great job in introducing, for example, a girls' dinner lunch version, especially for their female target market, and of course announcing a new drink that is available in Starbucks. So these are some of the things that marketers can capitalize when using Threads. So that wraps up on my guide on how to use Threads and insights on Threads as a social media platform, and of course its potential for marketers. I hope you find this useful and helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content like this. Until next time, I'll see you again. Take care and happy marketing.